Okay, our life so far, I guess, in chapter 6 has been adding and subtracting is not too bad. Multiplying and dividing would complicate things a little bit. And I guess we have the same situation here. Adding and subtracting, hopefully it's not too bad. Multiplying and dividing, hopefully it's still not too bad. But my first example with multiplying and dividing, my two functions, f of x is x squared plus x minus 6. And g of x is x minus 2. I want to do f times g and also f over g, f divided by g. Okay, let's start off with our multiplying. So again, this means the same thing as f times g of x. Same thing. Okay, let's start off with our multiplying. I want to take x squared plus x minus 6 times x minus 2. Let's see what happens. Okay, to simplify this, we have to make sure everything in my first set of parentheses, every term in my trinomial here gets multiplied by each term in my binomial. X squared times x is x cubed minus 2x squared plus x squared minus 2x minus 6x plus 12. And let's combine what we can. I have my x squareds here. That gives me x cubed minus 1x squared minus 8x plus 12. And like example 1, let's talk domain for a second also. Is there anything that x couldn't be? I can cube any value, I can square any value, I can take any value times -8. So my domain is all real numbers. Okay, what if I divide? F divided by g. That'd be x squared plus x minus 6 over x minus 2. Let's see if we can simplify anything. X squared plus x minus 6. Think about how that factors. X squared plus x minus 6. Positive 3 and negative 2. Multiply to negative 6 and add up to 1. And I have the same factor in my numerator and my denominator. So when I do f divided by g, I end up with x plus 3. And I guess I really didn't need those parentheses there, but that's okay. I end up with x plus 3. The domain for this one is just a little bit tricky because it's really easy to think about this, be like, hey, I can plug any value in for x and add 3 to it and it's okay. But look back one step. At this point, is there a number that you could not plug in for x, or is there a number that would cause a problem if we plugged it in? Hopefully you realize, oh, 2? 2 wouldn't work because 2 minus 2 is 0 and we can't divide by 0. That's not good. So even though it looks like we could use any value for x, if we use 2 up here, that's a problem. So my domain, in this case, is all real numbers, but x cannot equal 2. So to show that x can't equal something, we have the equal sign with a slash through it. And that's my domain.